There are so many ways to make money online right now. A lot of ways have been discovered, and there are other ways that are yet to be discovered. And luckily, thankfully, and to the glory of God, I've been able to discover how me can make money online through paid surveys. And I'll be sharing all the screenshots of testimonies from me and some other people in my community, in the group where I belong. And as I share this thing, a lot of my subscribers, followers have flooded my comment section to ask one thing or the other. Most of them are asking how they can start taking surveys and making money. Now, for you to participate in surveys, it's not difficult at all. If I can do it, you can also do it, because I'm a wife, full-time wife. I also work as a maritime worker, field maritime worker. And I also create content like this. I'm a content creator, and I have children that I take care of every single day, without any help of any maid. I do them myself, and I take online surveys, and I've been able to make money from it. Not just that, I have created my PayPal, linked my PayPal to my bank account. So when I make money through surveys, I cash out through PayPal, I withdraw it to my bank account, okay, my foreign bank account, and then I withdraw that money from my foreign bank account to my OPay account, Zenith, any bank of my choice that I want to do. These things are very easy. It's just for you to take time to learn them. Then you can be able to teach somebody else. Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're great and you're winning your word. This is Amugo's Concept, and I'm back with another beautiful information. If today is your first time tuning in, please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share so other people can get this amazing information. Now, before I started taking surveys, I've already known about surveys. I've researched about it, but I didn't have anybody to teach me until I met my coach, who told me to buy a course. I bought this course. Everything that I'm doing is in the course, but of course there are some times that you need somebody to ask, like to hold your hand and do some things, and this is what this my coach has been able to do for me, and I will forever be grateful for him for that. Now, if you want to start your online survey and you don't have money to buy a course, you can still start, but you cannot start without buying your proxy. Okay, you have to buy your proxy. Now, there are some surveys that you can take without buying number. Yeah, there are some surveys that you can take, withdraw without buying number, but then you have to have your PayPal. And there are other surveys that you can even participate in, withdraw your money without even having PayPal. Okay, so all of these things, I cannot tell you all of them in one video. So from next week, which is first week of January, I'm going to be hosting you live on my YouTube channel, on this particular channel, okay, where you can ask anything you want to know, and I will answer you in the live stream. And while on the live stream, some people can even start taking their first survey. Okay, sounds interesting, right? Yes, but if you have money to buy the course, I will advise you to buy the course, because right in that course there is everything and more for you to start taking online survey. How to sites that you can partake in their surveys. A lot of sites, up to in that course, they have like over 10 or 15 survey sites. Okay, and they will also teach you how to create your PayPal, how to verify your PayPal, how to create your international bank account. I know I can teach you all of these things, but imagine you have this course yourself, and anytime you want to do anything, you just go to the course and check what you want to do. Okay, I'm just saying for those that have money to buy the course, but if you don't have money to buy the course, just try to attend the live stream. I will be teaching you guys all of these things. And to all of those people that have already started taking survey, congratulations to you. If you have any challenge with your survey, cashing out, creating PayPal, creating your gray account, you can always join my live stream and ask your questions. I'm still here, open for your questions, ready to answer all of them. Just make sure you attend the live stream. Now, there's somebody that I have something for. There's this particular video I made, and I gave an assignment in that video. I said you should watch the video, and the assignment is for 7 days. Out of all the hundreds of people that watched that video, only one person did that assignment and came back to tell me that he or she has completed this assignment. Now I have a gift for that person. If you're watching me, I'm going to put your name on the screen. If you're watching me right now, I want you to know that I'm going to hold your hands to start taking your survey and make your first money. Okay, now what I will do for you is, for completing the assignment, being the only person that completed the assignment and came back to tell me, and he or she actually did what I asked them to do in that video, I'm going to help you to get your number. Okay, if you buy your proxy, I will buy a number for you, so that you, in your first week of working with me, you'll be able to take your survey and withdraw and come and tell us that you have been able to complete your survey and withdraw. Okay, so this is the update that I brought for you guys today. If you want to make money through survey, I want to assure you that you will really make money in 2026. And if you don't know what survey is all about, just follow this page, because you're going to make so much money. Imagine making $5 every day, £5 every day. Calculate that for one month. You know what it is. And there are people in my community that make more than that daily. So guys, this is what I brought. This is the good news I brought for you people. Thank you so much for watching. If you got value from this video, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share it so other people can get this amazing information. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you again in my next one.